At the heart of Clan MacLeod of Lewis lies a legendary figure, Sliochd. Though various accounts diverge on his parentage, the prevailing tradition claims him as a son of either Olaf the Black, king of Mann and the Isles, or Olvir, under the name Sliochd Olbhur. Sliochd fathered two sons, Tormod, Sìol Thormoid, and Torquil, Sìol Thorcaill, who became the progenitors of two distinct branches of the clan. Throughout the 14th and 15th centuries, Clan MacLeod of Lewis saw its influence grow, acquiring extensive lands in the Western Isles and the west coast of Scotland. As with many powerful clans of the era, the MacLeods engaged in territorial conflicts with their neighbours, notably the Mackays, Camerons, and Mackenzies. One of the most notorious confrontations occurred at the Battle of Tuiteam Tarbhach, a deadly encounter that led to the fall of Gille-caluim Beag, brother of the chief. The 16th and early 17th centuries brought internal strife and division to the MacLeods of Lewis. The reign of the bloodthirsty and power-hungry chief, Old Rory, along with the ambitions of his various offspring, led to feuding and violence within the clan. This internal turmoil would prove fatal, ultimately leading to the fall of Clan MacLeod of Lewis and the loss of its lands to their rival, the Clan Mackenzie. As feuds and conflicts raged within the clan, the Mackenzies took advantage of the weakening MacLeods. Torquil Conanac, a disowned heir, supported by the Mackenzies, captured his supposed father, Rory MacLeod of the Lewis, and forced him to recognize him as the lawful heir. This political manipulation resulted in the forfeiture of Lewis to Torquil Conanac and the Mackenzies. Despite their fall from prominence, Clan MacLeod of Lewis did not fade into obscurity. A line of the chiefly family, known as the MacLeods of Rasay, survived and prospered on their lands for centuries to come. This line eventually reclaimed the title and chiefship of Clan MacLeod of Lewis, ensuring the continuation of their heritage. Today, the chief of Clan MacLeod of Lewis is Torquil Donald MacLeod of the Lewis, residing in Tasmania, Australia. Clan MacLeod of the Lewis, Clan MacLeod of Rasay, and Clan MacLeod are united under the associated Clan MacLeod societies, represented by national societies across the globe. The quest to trace the true origins of Clan MacLeod of Lewis continues, with DNA studies shedding light on their possible Norse ancestry. As the clan's history unfolds, its influence on Scottish heritage remains undeniable, leaving a lasting impression on the Highland traditions.